Hello, welcome to Nasbet English, the channel dedicated to training speaking comprehensively from A to Z. Before I continue, don't forget to click subscribe and the notification bell so that you'll be connected and notified always. In this lesson, which is lesson 1, I have for you a topic I title Say Something, Anything. Students, in your English class, when your teacher asks you a question and you think you don't know the answer to the question, you cannot just be silent. You cannot be quiet. You have to say something still. Anything, in fact. And why is that? Well, because in a speaking class, what counts is not the answer. What matters is how you say it, how you put it in a sentence. You see, an English class is not like a content subject class, like a mathematics class, a physics class, a biology class, or a chemistry class, in which factual answers may be important to give to your teacher asking you the question. In a speaking class, you can say pretty much anything because what counts is not that, not the answer, but how you say it, how you put it in a sentence. Now, therefore, I have provided for you here some examples of sentences or expressions or utterances that you can use to answer your teacher when he asks you a question, even if it suggests that you don't know the answer, or you're confused, or you don't understand. It doesn't matter. The first one we have here is, I don't know what to say. I don't know the answer. All right? That easy. As easy as that. You can also say, I'm confused. I don't know what to say. I'm sorry. Or, I'm thinking. Perhaps you can ask somebody else first. It's like you ask your teacher to go on with another student to answer the question first, while you think you want to go on thinking for the answer. And you expect your teacher to come back to you later for the answer. It's like a strategy, and it's okay to do so. Next one, I'm sorry, but I'm lost. I don't know what to say. If you take a look at the expressions that we use here, you can see that these expressions are repeated. Um, I don't know what to say. I'm sorry. Now, this suggests that these expressions are part of the fixed expressions, fixed language that we talked about last time in our previous video. Um, they are just like that. They cannot be changed that much. You don't have to change them. They are fixed. You just have to use them the way they are in context. All right. Or you can say, I need some time to think first. I'll say something in due time. And lastly, you can say, I don't know. I'm sorry. I promise you it won't happen again next time. So you tell your teacher that you don't know the answer to the question that he poses to you now. But you promise him next time around he asks you another question, you will be able to answer the question better, correctly. At least that's what you promise him, and it is wise to say so. So there you have it. I think that wraps it up. So don't forget, when your English teacher asks you a question, even though you don't know the answer to the question, you cannot be silent, you cannot be quiet, you have to say something, anything. That's the strategy. That's the wise thing to do in a speaking class. Alright? You can go to our website, as you can see there, to find articles to read and other information too. Until next time, when we talk about a different topic in our next video, I have to say goodbye to you. Thank you for being with me. I hope you learned something. Ciao.